It's school holidays and you want to get your microphone to work so you can Discord with your friends, or you are trying to run a conference at work. But none of it is working, although it works on another computer, just not yours. Here's what you do. First thing you want to check is privacy settings. Privacy settings. Press privacy settings and then you will get this box. Now, you want to go to microphone. Once you've selected microphone, check these settings. Allow apps to access your microphone needs to be on. And also you need to go down here, allow desktop apps to access your microphone. This also needs to be on. Now, if you're not the administrator of your account, I suggest going into the administrator account and running the app that you are trying to access, and then check privacy settings just like this, and you'll see it show up here. Make sure that it's showing here and it's on. After you've done that, restart your computer and then log back into your account, and then you will see that the app comes up and shows up, and then you'll be able to have access. Currently I'm running a recording app and you can see that it's currently in use, which means it's allowed. If I click this off, it won't allow the mic anymore. So check those things. Of course, check your cables, make sure it's all working and not. But the thing is, if you're watching this video, you've probably already done all that. So privacy settings is what you want to check, and that should solve 80% of all your problems. Otherwise, reinstall the driver and see how you go.